Hi everyone, my name is Fanny and I'm the Global Beauty Ambassador for LUMENE. Today I will be showing you this really easy, glowy, no makeup look. Tag along and I'll show you step by step. So the first step in creating this no makeup look is a primer. This is our UV primer and it comes with a new pump. And this is the primer for you who wants like a light, fresh and just a glowy, dewy look. You can put it like this on your hand and with a clean finger, apply it to the face. And a primer that contains also 30 in SPF. So it's the best alternative for the one who don't want to burn their skin. I love this. And it also gives me this super dewy, as you can see, like this glowing skin. So not only does it protect me from the sun, but it also gives me the best like glow. So it's like a 3-in-1. It's UV protective and it's also glow and a primer. So clean fingers and you can like just put it on with your hands. And don't forget, bring it down to your neck also. And if you want to, also on your décolletage. Look at that glow. Next up, beauty serum. This is a skincare infused foundation and it's just the best when you want this light, just glowy coverage. And what's new with this one is that it comes with 2 new colors. It's called bronze and also deep. So this is medium that I'm using on me and I just lightly put like little dots. I don't want to use too much because when I'm doing like a no makeup look, I just apply lightly, small drops all over the face and then I just work it into the skin. And this just gives me like the most sheer coverage and a lot of glow. And if I want to, I can also use a darker color to create like a little bit of contouring. This is Blush Brush from LUMENE, a synthetic brush that I just love to use when I put on foundation. When I put on foundation, I use light strokes and just, as you can see, roll it into the skin almost. What this one does is that it gives me a sheer coverage and then it also gives me so much glow, but it takes away the redness that I have in my face. So that's what I want to like. It gives me a more skin, like a clear skin tone. And I also like to bring it down a little bit. And to show you now how I get this extra summer glow already, I use Skin Tone Perfectors and this is number 2 and it's a bronzy color and I use it like this. Put a few drops here. I want to create like a little bit of contour to the face and this is the perfect product for that. Just like a light bronzy easy product that just blends so perfectly into the skin. Look at this. Using again a synthetic brush. And again, I'm just working in like round circles a little bit into the skin, tapping it in like this, dabbing, and then also like just pushing it into the beauty serum together. They just mix so well together. And as you can see, I'm just getting this summer fresh glow. I'm not gonna need any sun this summer. I feel so glowy and I get this beautiful like contouring of my cheeks and also here. And this is also beautiful to just bring down a little bit on the neck because often you have a little bit more color in the face than you have on your neck. So easy, it's just blending into the skin so easily and I'm just getting this. It looks like I've been in the sun for weeks. But no damage. I I do look so bronzy and fresh right now, but I want a little bit of blush. Using Skin Tone Perfector, and this is number 4. That is a beautiful pink color. I'm just gonna put like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. On the apple of the cheek, using the same brush. Look how gorgeous. Just blending it into the cheek. And however you like to use the blush, if you want to use blush up here, you put it up there. But I'm still a girl that prefers to have it on the apple of the cheek. Wow. When creating like a no makeup look, I really think you should go for creamy products, not like powder products. So these are right up the alley. Look at that. Just blending it in like this. Maybe a little bit here on the nose. However much I love this glowy look, it needs to last all day, and I don't want to be glowy everywhere in the face, because then you can look a little bit sweaty. So this is Sheer Finish Loose Powder, and it's the best. I use this one to like set my concealer under the eyes. It's the best for this, and it also gives you a little bit bright effect. And I also use it like this, in the T-zone. That's what you should always think about, like keeping the T-zone damp and matte. That's how your makeup will last all day, and that's how you will look super fresh all day. So I keep this in my bag, and I take a little bit every, like a couple of hours in, and just go in with a little bit of like this. And as you can see, I have all the glow, but I'm matte in all the right places. So this is my all-time favorite powder. You need this one. When I'm doing this like light makeup, I do want something in my eyebrows. This is Fixing Gel. It's a clear gel that just sets your eyebrows, and I just work it in like this. It like strokes my eyebrow into place and just keeps them looking gorgeous all day. And you can use a pen under, or you use powder if you want to use that in your eyebrows. But this is the way to go if you want to fixate your eyebrows. Look at that. I just love it. Gorgeous eyebrows. For the lip, all-time favorite. This is number 1, Pale Honey in Luminous Shine and Hydrating and Plumping Lip Gloss. And this one is just, as you can see, a really clear, like pale pink gloss that works for everybody. And when you want to have like this really natural look, I think this is the way to go. But this one works for all occasions. This is my really favorite lip gloss. And now you might wonder, how did I get these lashes? I'm topping off this makeup with my favorite mascara. This is Blueberry Sensitive Volume Mascara. And as you can see, it really makes a really huge difference. It has a little bit of a thicker rubber brush that I just love working into the eyelashes. And it really just like gives me this super volume, as you can see. So let's go ahead and work it in. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you really can see. This has been like my favorite since it came. I just fell in love with the brush, and also that it's like really good for sensitive eyes, as the name, sensitive. I'm just so in love with it. Just love how it just takes my eyelashes and just like boom. Finishing it all off with a really good mascara that just like, you know, lifts your eyelashes and just make you pop a little bit. But this is for sure the look when you just want to have like an easy coverage and just a lot of glow.